Stay in the middle of the sidewalk. Good job,
Dad,
what?
When I do this,
Keep going.
I just need to do that to get it going.
That's right. Keep going.
You mean to do this?
Drive it over here to Daddy. Come on. Push. You have to push forward. No, other way.
Other way like that.
Yeah. Keep steering right down the middle. Steer right down the middle of the sidewalk, honey.
Dad, I need to stop and tell you something.
What?
I wonder if baby brother will ride my bike when he gets older. He could get Spider-Man and he could ride it on his own.
Maybe. Okay, come on. Keep riding to Daddy. You're pushing the wrong way, Avery. You're pushing the wrong way. Look. Steer down the middle. Keep pushing. Keep steering right down the middle. Nice job. Keep steering right down the middle. Whoops. Okay, let's go. Okay, you ready? Start pedaling.
So don't ride our bikes down the road, right?
Steer right down the middle of the sidewalk, sweetie. Good job. Keep steering right down the middle. Keep going. Why are you stopping? You're doing a good job. Keep going. Go fast. Pedal super fast, honey. Keep pedaling super fast.
A butterfly!
Oh my gosh. Is this what it's going to be like playing outfield? Keep pedaling. You can't go in the